You guys, look at these images. Oh my goodness. These are just some of my most favorite things I've ever found on Etsy. And of course, I'll link them in the description. But I'm sorry it's a little bit dark. I'm filming at night because just in case you don't have your Christmas cards sent out already, I wanted to give you what can be a super quick idea. You can make it a little bit more elaborate or not, as you please. But what I did for these are oh my stars, where are they? Okay, here they are. So these gold frame cards are recollections, so that means Michael's. They're called Christmas Noel. Excuse me, 5x7. And the inside of them is 4 3/8 by 6 3/8. So that's what I did on these images. I printed them out 5x7, and then I cut out a piece of paper this exact size, the white size, and I placed it on top of the image and put a little pencil mark at the corner, and then trimmed it out the image with my paper cutter. And most important step, always make sure that it's opening on the right side, because I've done that so many times. Put things on upside down. And then this is kind of a cheaper version of Wink of Stella. They're Spectrum Noir. And do I have them right handy? Let's see, yeah. I'm pretty sure I got these like 50% off at Hobby Lobby. And they clear shimmering medium. It's called glitter brush pens. But they do basically the same thing as Wink of Stella for just a little bit cheaper usually. And you can get them at Hobby Lobby, so that means sometimes you can actually still get them on sale. So I didn't overdo it with the glitter. Like in this case, I just put it on this little star anise. I think that's cute. Star anise. I put that in my cranberry sauce on Thanksgiving. And a little bit anywhere where light touches on the, like these little ornaments. And on a couple of them, like I haven't put any words on him at all. Let's see. Or on the gingerbread house, I just put some of the sparkles. I don't know if they show up in this dark light, but on the snow, mainly on the snow. And this is just these rolls that you can get at Hobby Lobby. They cut out pretty easy. The Merry Christmas die, I'll link that if I can find it. I got it on Ally. And I would recommend, you'll have an easier time getting this stuff out of your die if when you do your die, you should put some sort of shim on top. Get a kind of heavy piece of paper or something on top. And when you run it through, make sure that every single one of your little, take your pokey tool and poke everything out. Now, there's one that I can't find. There was one of them that I did coat out some of this really thick, I think it's 5mm foam from Hobby Lobby. And that's a little bit of a pain, not too bad, but I cut out a piece of the thick foam. And then I cut out, the one I did the foam with, I think I just used the paper on. This is 110 pounds. It's not exactly white. It's a nice, I don't know exactly, Recollections cream color. And I put that on top of the foam. And I wish I had it handy, but I don't. But anyway, well, I guess that gives you the idea. I hope everyone's having a very Merry Christmas. And I'm just going to go through them one more quick time in case you're still watching. So cute. But my very favorite, what's your favorite? There he is. That's why I bought these papers, just for the mouse. You're so cute. And the Coco. Love the Coco. Thanks, guys. See you again soon.